Hey guys, back with another video from my addicted blogging channel, and I have the Amazfit Gts 2 mini with me, and today we are going to discuss about a brand new added feature in this watch, which is the custom trigger feature. And this feature can change entirely the way we look into this budget smartwatch, which is the Amazfit GTS 2 mini. So custom trigger is nothing but you can add extra functionality to the watch, like it can perform some specific action regarding the triggers, like when you will be wearing or removing the watch, and the triggers can be something simple like taking a picture or seeing the phone battery. So in this video we will see how we can activate the custom trigger option, what are the things we can do with this feature, whether this feature is useful enough or not, and how it will change the way we look into this budget smartwatch, which is the Amazfit GTS 2 mini. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to see us, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So let's start. So I have with me the Amazfit GTS 2 mini, which is one of the best smartwatches till now in the budget segment category, and it has a lot of features along with the Amazon Alexa, the always on display, the AMOLED display, and also a lot of customization options. Let's see how we can activate the feature, which is the custom trigger option. So for this you need to download the Notify app, which is the third-party app for the Amazfit watches. And once you have downloaded it, you need to connect the Amazfit GTS 2 mini. Also make sure you have connected it with the Zepp app, which is the official app for the Amazfit GTS 2 mini. Once you have connected it, you can do a lot of things along with the custom triggers. So for this you need to come to the last icon, and in here you will get the option of custom triggers as a shortcut. So if you click on custom triggers, you will be getting a lot of options, and today we will discuss about only the Amazfit connected and Amazfit not connected option. So these small little actions can be configured to perform some really important actions in the Amazfit GTS 2 mini. So as soon as Amazfit will be connected with the Zepp app on your phone, you can configure it to perform certain actions. So if I click on this Amazfit connected and just click on this option, you will see that I can do a lot of things along with seeing the phone battery or clicking a picture. So what I have done here is I have configured it to show the phone battery, because whenever I will be connecting my Amazfit GTS 2 mini with my phone, I want to know what is the battery left on my phone. Also I can configure the Amazfit not connected option. So to show you guys, I will be configuring it to something different, like clicking a picture. So whenever my Amazfit GTS 2 mini will be disconnected, my phone will be taking a photo from the rear camera. So I am configuring for now these two options. You can configure anything from the list which is there. Once I have configured these two, I have to just enable the buttons, and once I will be enabling the button in here, the two custom triggers will be activated. And now whenever I will be disconnecting my watch and connecting my watch, it will perform certain actions. So let's test this and see whether this is working or not. So I will be disabling the Bluetooth on my phone and see whether it is clicking a picture or not. So I just disabling the Bluetooth, and you can see my phone just clicked a picture. So that means it is working. Also at the same time, if I just turn on Bluetooth, and you can see that if I just go to the Zepp app, so as soon as it is connected, it is showing me the phone battery, and my phone battery, as you can see, is 40%. So that means it is working, and you can configure the custom triggers in the Amazfit GTS 2 mini just like this. This doesn't mean that you have to switch on and switch off the Bluetooth. It means that whenever your phone will be disconnected or you will go outside the Bluetooth range, the actions which you will be configuring here will be executed. So this is a really good feature which you can activate on the Amazfit GTS 2 mini, and this feature has been recently added. So this will add a lot of functionality and add more flexibility with the Amazfit GTS 2 mini, which you can do in your everyday life. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you that this feature has been recently added, and you can now configure the custom triggers option in this watch. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.